Hey, my dear. I have some homework for you. Watch carefully this reel a few times. Write in the comments what you see in the video. I know you are a pro. Ready, steady, go!
Welcome to today's lesson. Learn English for fun here at Panda J UK. Let's go!
And there again. Ready, steady, go! And there again. Ready, steady, go! And there again. Ready, steady, go! And there again. Ready, steady, go! And there again. Ready, steady, go! Hey, well done, my dear. I will check in the comments and reply to your answers. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Bye now.
If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like and watch the next video for more.
English for fun at Panda J UK.